Trae AI review. Is this AI code editor worth it? Let's get started. So Trae AI is a free VS Code based IDE from ByteDance that integrates powerful LLMs like GPT-4, Cloud, Sonnet, and DeepSeek into a modern coding environment. Its standard features include builder mode, multimodal chat, and seamless terminal command execution. Now, what it highlights is it has a sleek and modern interface, polished and intuitive fork of VS Code, and borrowing from JetBrains Fleet. It also has an unlimited free access to the AI, which is GPT-4 and Cloud. It also has a builder mode, which breaks down the project requirements. And then it also has a multimodal input, which drops in screenshots to get contextual suggestions, and it has terminal command execution, which is supported with outperforming Copilot Edit. Although it has some downsides though, it has an early access instability, they also have an AI accuracy issues, and some privacy concerns. Well, so if you want it, then it's ideal for solo devs, learners, or thinkers wanting a free experiment-friendly AI, but it's not ideal for enterprise and dev teams. In conclusion, choose it because it's legit, but use it with caution.